Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. You act as an intermediary, connecting a seller with potential customers through unique affiliate links. Select a topic or industry you're passionate about and where you have some expertise to attract the right audience and promote relevant products. Find companies offering affiliate programs for products or services related to your niche on platforms like Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, and ShareASale. Share your affiliate links on your website, blog, social media channels, email list, or even offline channels like flyers or presentations. Most affiliate programs provide tracking tools so you can see how many clicks, conversions, and commissions you're generating. Building a successful affiliate income stream takes time and effort, but it can be a rewarding way to earn online. Focus on creating informative and helpful content that educates your audience and builds trust. Attract people who are genuinely interested in the products you're promoting to increase your conversion rate and commission earnings. Partner with multiple companies to reduce risk and spread your income opportunities.